In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contract on Circle.so. Whether you're a community manager, administrator, or just someone looking to streamline processes in your Circle community, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Ensure you have your credentials handy and are able to access the admin dashboard. This is where you'll start managing all your community spaces and posts, including adding contracts. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the left sidebar of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a section called Spaces. Go ahead and click on Spaces and then select the specific space where you'd like the contract to reside. Spaces are essentially the different areas or groups within your Circle community, and making sure you choose the right one is crucial for organizing your content effectively. Next up, it's time to create the actual post that will house your contract. Look to the top right of the screen and you'll see an option labeled Create Post. Click on this to begin drafting your contract post. Here you'll need to enter a title for your post in the section labeled Enter Post Title. It's helpful to use descriptive names like the contract name itself to make it easily identifiable for your members. Now let's move on to the body of the post. You have a couple of options here. If your contract text is straightforward, you can paste the entire contract directly into the post body. However, if your contract is more detailed or formatted as a document, you might prefer to attach it as a PDF file. This ensures the formatting remains consistent and is easy for your community members to access. Once you've crafted your post, you'll want to set the right access level for it. Click on the Settings button, then navigate to Access. Here, you'll have the ability to choose who can view the contract. You can select members only if you want it available to all members, or opt for a specific plan if you wish to restrict visibility to a subset. After making your selection, don't forget to hit Save Changes to ensure your settings are applied. If you'd like to organize your post further, you can add topics or tags. Simply type the name of your chosen tag or topic into the relevant section and press Enter. This additional step can help categorize your content, making it easier for members to find. Finally, once you're satisfied with your post, scroll down and hit Post to publish your contract. This action will make your contract live within the selected space. If required, you can take an optional step to ensure that